Hiya, Darren from Raised Guitars here. Today I thought I'd show you a new t-shirt. Look at that, check that out. And I've got acoustic guitars come in just for a restring, so I thought I'd show you very quickly how I tie the tuner end of the strings for stability and speed. There we go. So this is a Johnson guitar. It's quite old, could do with a clean up and set up, but customers only asked for new strings, so that's what I'm going to do. So just to speed things along, I'll just take the tension off of these and I cut them off with a horrible bang. And a reason for taking the tension off is so you don't shock the neck, basically. So there's no tension on there, it just suddenly doesn't jump. So here we go. Let's remove these pegs. A bit tight. Right, here we go. So that's that end out, and I'll come back to you in a minute once I've unwound the other end, because you don't need to see that bit. I'm going to give it a very, very quick clean, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I do at that end. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to show you the bottom strings. So the way I do this is measure the length to the next peg and cut the string there through the hole, just the end poking out once over the top. I'm using a peg winder for speed. Here we go. Get the normal creaking and groaning when you're putting new strings on. Right, same again with the next one. So to level with the next peg, cut it off, push it through one over the top. Creaky. Right, there we go. So that's it. And if I show you a close up of that, what you end up with is a wrap over the a wrap over the top, and then the rest underneath, and that locks it in really good. Plus you end up with just the right amount of windings once you consider that you've wound it up and the strings stretch a bit. So that's how I do it. Hope you like it.